Who's it from?
What's it say?
Who gave you that? Grandma, what did you get her? She doesn't understand. What did you get her?
What did I get her? A bird book.
Ah! Now she can look at all the kinds of birds and see which kind she's looking
I
at.
got a bird I saw tonight. I want to see what kind it was.
Might be a little bit old for her now, but she'll grow into it.
And how's the pork chops today, Jamie? And she ate 2. And we're not going to ask him because he ate 3.
Big chops, Ernie.
Yeah.
Did you know where that bird book came from?
No, I didn't look.
That's from her great-great-grandmother.
Oh, I didn't know that. You tell Jill and Amber won't
From
get it.
Dahlia's mother.
Oh, Grandma Glacier?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, she had those. She had a couple.
Jill probably won't let her.
One of them had a white cover on it. Just a paperback, not a hard.
Well, that's not a hard one, but it is kind of a.
Yeah, that's a hard cover.
Is that a hard cover?
Yeah, she had a paperback with a white cover on it. You didn't find that one?
Oh, I probably got it there someplace. But this book was pretty new.
I bet you that's what you hear at night. That sound is from the loon. Isn't it?
Maybe it could be from flour.
We're gonna cook some more if anybody wants them. I know Ted does, and I do.
And I want some.
I might send. Jamie, would you like to go out and get some orange crush?
That's got a whole pile of them over here. Oh, yeah, they're pretty well down, Ted.
The salt has to melt the ice, and it takes the heat from wherever it can get it. Well, it pulls it out of the ice cream to melt the ice.
When I was a kid, I worked in a Sexton's ice cream plant in Dearborn. My sister worked there in Detroit High School, and I worked there for a few years. And then we used to run it through it was crude, but that big bat looked like a great big maple syrup pan. And those things was like on a real slow chain, and these looked like bread pans. And those little two little we used to have this press, we used to hit a press and it put all the popsicle sticks in, and then the next guy put it on top of those things. But anyway, it wasn't really about near that bird bath.
There's one, I had 1,000 feet filmed and that's pretty well stopped their wings.
Are they around anymore? Mine disappeared.
They just said she saw one yesterday, but they pretty much disappeared now.
Oh, okay. Where do they go? On north or someplace else?
No, they're right in the area. They hang around right in this area.
I want it back inside.
Indigo bunny.
Why? Why are you going inside?
He was trying to figure out how to get in there. I think the next one is where, he got it figured out.
Yeah.
He's in there.
We had a whole bunch of these for a little while. I haven't seen too many of them.
Pretty good
they've
chops,
kind of disappeared.
We're gonna have some more here, Dick. I know you're hungry.
So pretty.
Yeah.
Freeze them out.
Oh,
Yeah,
It does,
three.
right, figured it
Yeah.
out.
I loaded them up. I said, here's a small one he pulled out, and the rest of the chop comes from underneath.
Yeah, it was laying on the bottom.
Platter size.
Weather's so good.
Yeah. I'll get you some more. They're pretty birds. No matter what anybody
you
says,
bet.
they're pretty birds.
Yeah, that turkey come wandering in there.
Oh, you did laugh at our place the other day. We were sitting on the porch. Came a hen from the east. Walked along, walked behind his truck, walked behind his car. And so his dog was laying in the pen right there. No, you don't put your fingers in. We kept talking to dog. Said, dog, be quiet. Silverman. Grandpa's a big boy. I told Sharon, I said, I think we can't do that. And get up by the feeders.
kept, and it was clucking away to itself, it just enjoying life, you know. And it gets up by the fence, you can see it, looks up at the fence. I said, "Come jump in." And the dog is just laying there.
Oh, boy.
And here that turkey came over the fence to get it by the feeders, you know. Now Doberman couldn't stand that. That was too much for the Doberman. When it jumped in the fence, you know. Now the dog took off and the bird took off, you know. Bird landed in a tree about 100 yards out from the house and it sat in the tree for about a half an hour. Yeah, I didn't know I had that many pictures of that ham.
Oh, they're fun to watch. Here,
How do you
here's
get
some
the
more.
ice cream?
Hey, Dick, we got another
That's it. Get it right
You found
on
a bigger one. What you got, Abby? Amy, what you got? What you got, Amy? Ice cream? Mm-hmm. Abby, what are you doing? Amy's getting all the ice cream.
You'll be eating pork chops for lunch for a couple of days now, it looks like.
You're gonna have
Oh God, they got the big finger full now. Okay, all gone.
One for Viv, one for me.
Close it up, Sharon, and they'll never quit on you. Abby, 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 what you got? Abby,
There. That'll hold it down.
what you got?
You don't have to teach
No, no, you don't want salt water.
Like that, huh?
What lake are you in?
Called Wildwood. You know Diana?